Welcome viewers. In this video we shall learn about AWS Glue crawler. Now this will be our third video in AWS and Glue section, and this will be the second video of AWS Glue series. Now everything you will get in one playlist. So in the last video I had discussed with you guys how can we use Glue and what are the theoretical view of Glue, and in which places we can use Glue. The starting point of AWS Glue is the crawler. Crawler goes into let me scroll down. The crawler goes into every data sources, and from there it creates table schema. Okay, now that is the story. Now in this video I shall show you practically how it is done. So for that I have a sample CSV file. Let me open that CSV file for you guys. Where is my VS Code? Yes, now this is a small file. You will get all these files in AWS Athena blog. There I have kept this file. Okay, it's a very simple CSV file. It has first name, last name, and address, and it has some data around 10 to 11 rows. Okay, now I shall upload it. Actually, not I shall. I have uploaded this CSV file in one of my S3 bucket. I will show you just a second. So this is my S3 bucket, and here I have kept student.csv file, and this is the address. Okay, now this is my S3 bucket where I have the CSV file. So till now everything is clear, I guess. Now come to AWS Glue screen. Now in the left hand side you will see many options. Actually, if I don't click on it, so you will get this text and what is Glue, how to do it, how is job management, data catalog, and all other stuff. Just top left corner, you will see three parallel horizontal lines. Click on it, and here you will see data catalog, and under data catalog you will find crawlers. Okay, so first we'll go to crawlers, and you will see there is no crawler for me now. So before crawler we have to create one data classifier. So click on the classifier, add classifier, okay, I will go back one more. So click on classifiers, add classifier, then give your classifier name. Let's say I gave it called CSV classifier. Select CSV. First option is none, keep it none. Column delimiter is comma, double quote, it will be also as it is. Column headings, it will be has headings. That's it. Now create the classifier. So we have created our CSV classifier. Now you don't have to do anything over here. Come to the crawler section, create crawler. Now give a crawler name. So I am creating the crawler for my student CSV folder. So I will give a name similar to that. So I will give it, let's say, student crawler. Description doesn't need anything. Go to next. Then here is the important part. So currently we don't have any tables in Athena, or you can say in the data catalog. Now to show you, let's go to Athena and check if there is any tables or not. See, there is no tables over here. So we are pretty sure that we don't have any tables in our data catalog. Now come here, and we were configuring, yep, I think here. Okay, so is your data already mapped with Glue tables? No, because we are starting from scratch. Add data source. Now when you click on add data source, you will get this window. Now here you have to select your S3 bucket. Browse, go there, and I will select student. Remember, you have to point up to the folder where you have the data. So I have data under student folder, that is student.csv, but I will not select this one. I will go one step back, and I will select student folder, or you can say student prefix, and select choose. Okay, so this is the S3 path. Then subsequent crawler runs. First one, select the first option, the first radio button, then add an S3 data source. Okay, this is done. Then make sure you click this radio button. Now custom classifiers. Now this is important. You have to select this one and select the classifier which we had created. Select it. Okay, it is done. Next step. Now you have to select the IAM rule. The IAM rule is a manual Glue role, and I have described what are the permissions it has in the blog page, so you can visit there and look into it. Now once this is done, come to the next page, and target database. I had created one database, that is toy. So you select toy, or else if you have any other database, you can select that name also. Table name prefix. Now this is optional. If you give any name over here, let's say XYZ, now your table name will be student because the folder name was student. So the actual table name will be XYZ student. So I would prefer not to give any name, because it is unnecessarily add one prefix into that table name. So for the time being, keep it as it is. Okay. Advanced options, I don't need any options for now. Crawler schedule. Crawler schedules means how do you want to execute your crawler? Should it be in a on demand, hourly, weekly, monthly? So on demand means whenever we will click it, crawler will run. So next, so this is the final page what AWS showing to us, and what is the name of the crawler, from which prefix it will extract that data, and it will crawl everything, and this is the classifier. Okay, everything. Now create crawler. So your crawler has been created. Now crawler is created. Now crawler hasn't run. Now I'm just clicking it. Now go to the crawler page, and you will see there is a crawler over here. Why it is not showing? Yep. So this is student crawler. Now again I am going to the Athena page, and you can see there is no table over here. Now come here, I will select it and I will click on run. So crawler has started running, and it is trying to get into that folder, and it is accessing those metadata that are present in that CSV file. So it will run for a couple of minutes, and as we have the data set very small, so it wouldn't take that much of time. So let's wait for the timing. Now you can see crawler is ready, and last run was succeeded, and last run when it got run. Okay, so this is the timestamp. Now if we go into the table, see there is you have to refresh this page, and you can get it. Yep. Now you can see there is a table inside data catalog. So if you click on the table, you will get the same column names which were there in the CSV file. And if you go to Athena page also, let me go to the Athena page. If you refresh it, you can see there is a student table, and it has the same column names as it was there in the CSV file. Now, if we execute a query over here, select star from student, run it, you will get all the data. Now, always remember there was a classifier, that's why it got properly, it could properly detect that which were the column names. Now I will do the same experiment. First I will delete the classifier, I will delete the crawler, then I will do the same experiment, and you will see what is the problem if we don't have classifier. Now I will go to the tables, and I will delete these tables. Student table, delete. Okay, student table got deleted. Come to the classifier, I will delete the classifier, delete, then come to the crawler. Yep, I will delete this crawler as well. So it is blank again. Okay, now if you want to go to Athena, there also you can go and check. See, there is no tables. Now coming back to crawler again, I am creating a crawler, giving it a name called crawler student, crawler student, student. Next, not yet. Next, I don't have any classifier. Okay, data source, browse, then I will select student, choose, select this one. Now as I don't have any classifier, so I will not select anything. Then go next, IAM role, same IAM role, target database, that is toy. Okay, and on demand, yes, true. Then create crawler got created. Okay, come to the crawler page, and you will see there is one crawler over here. Now this crawler doesn't have any classifier. Okay, I'm reminding you. Now come here and run this crawler once more. Crawler started running. Okay, you can see one table has been created. Okay, now you can see the column names, column 0, column 1, and column 2. Earlier it was first name, last name, and address, but this time it did not extracted those names. Now if I go to Athena, here also you will see one table has been created by the name of student. Again, column 0, column 1, and column 2. Now if I execute the same command, you can see it hasn't detected the column names. So this is the problem if we don't have classifiers. So you need to create one classifiers so that crawler can detect the column names. So this is about AWS crawler. In my next video, I shall show you a demo. How can we create one ETL task? So let's meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.